Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos more fun and engaging with stickers and emojis in VN Video Editor. So, in this step-by-step VN Video Editor tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize your videos by adding stickers, emojis, and animated elements in VN. So first, you can just open an existing project or start a new project if you want to. For example, I'm going to just open an existing project in here, this one. And to start adding stickers, you can just tap on this add stickers options and choose sticker category. And now, as you guys can see here, there will be lots of elements or stickers that you can add. You can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just go with beach here. You can just wait and choose the one that you like. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this one here. If you want to animate it or add motion, you can just click on the elements or the stickers that you add, tap on motion. In here, choose the motions that you want. I'm going to go with in animation. Here I'm going to go with spin. Okay, click on a check icon, and now this will be the result. If you want to add another animated elements, you can just, for example, I'm going to go to the end of the clip and go to this to add stickers, another stickers, and click on sticker. Here I'm going to add this subscribe stickers, and again I'm going to add animations. Let's click on it, tap on motion. Here I'm going to go with the loop animations. Okay, I'm going to go with this breathe, adjust the duration to how you like it. So now when my video ends, it will go like this. You can add more than one stickers or animations to how you like it. You can adjust its size and positions and also timing for perfect placement. But that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!